Rhys, job done tonight.
Yeah, very much so. It was a tough draw for us. It wasn't the draw that I thought we had initially. I made a mistake and looked at the wrong team, and then when I realised it was Cam, I was disappointed because I knew what a tough draw it was for us, and it was a really tough game. I felt that we were probably worthy winners, but fair play to Cam, they were in the game the whole time, and even in injury time I felt like if they score it was going to be game on.
Gareth, gêm anodd i chi heno, ydych chi'n teimlo bod chi wedi rhoi cystadleuaeth i Pen-y-bont?
Ni'n balch o'r ymdrech y chwaraewyr heddiw, ni'n balch o sut nhw'n chwarae, ond dwi'n credu tîm bach o gan nhw chwaraewyr yn barod i roi bêl yn y gôl, a dyna beth mae James Crawl yn neud yn dda, a dyna pam mae un o'r chwaraewyr gorau yn y cyngor.
But I must say I thought Cam was superb tonight, on and off the pitch. They're going to be a worthy team in the Welsh Prem hopefully next season, and they're on the needs of Welsh Prem clubs. So they put on a great event today.
Allan o Cwpan Cymru felly yn canolbwyntio ar y gyngrair am y tro felly, ac wrth gwrs y targed i chi ar ddiwedd y tymor ydi trio ymuno efo Pen-y-bont yn uwch gyngrair Cymru tymor nesaf.
Ydy, yn y gêm trydydd nawr, ni'n chwarae Cardiff Met, Britain Ferry a nawr Pen-y-bont, felly mae'n gemau dda i ni gweld lle ni yn nawr, ond fel chi'n dweud, y prif peth y blwyddyn yma yw gobeithio gorffen yn y tri cyntaf, gobeithio ennill y gyngrair wrth gwrs, ac paid y cofio mae ganddyn ni'r game against Barry hefyd yn y rownd Cwpan yn y MG Cup yn dod i fyny hefyd, felly mae'n gemau gwych i'r chwaraewyr i edrych ymlaen i.
Ie, wrth gwrs rownd gynderfynol Cwpan Nathaniel MG hefyd i ddod, mae'n gyfnod cyffroes i'r clwb.
Ydy, mae'r cae, mae'r stadiwm yn gwneud llawer bant o'r cae, a mae'r chwaraewyr ar hyn o bryd yn gwneud llawer ar y cae hefyd, felly gobeithio mae'n blwyddyn dda i ni, a fel chi'n dweud, blwyddyn nesaf ni'n chwarae Pen-y-bont yn y cyngor, dim digon yn y cwpan.
Tonight's results also mean that TNS and Connah's Quay are out of the Welsh Cup. That's opened up the draw quite nicely for you, would you say?
Well, for everybody. They're probably the two favourites, I would say. Connah's Quay obviously in great form, so they were the two favourites going into today's draw. It's opened it up for everybody, and I'm sure there's a lot of clubs wouldn't mind playing us in the final because they think they'd have a good chance. So it hasn't opened it up, and what it does mean is that if a team outside the top three win the Welsh Cup, then it's only the top two getting into Europe. So that's an issue for anyone other than TNS, I would say, who are hoping to get top three. So there's a few sort of permutations to that, which I'm not entirely comfortable with.